Welcome to Great Pits of Fire, the channel that sets fire to outdated and replace with new tech and AI. Today, we're firing death itself. Imagine texting a loved one who's long gone, and they text back. Forget Ouija boards and dusty seance circles. The dead don't need candlelight anymore. These days, if you want to talk to the other side, you fire up AI and get a reply as if they never left. Why talk to the dead? Closure. Say the goodbye they never got to say. Grief relief. Talking to a digital ghost can ease loneliness. Family legacy. Preserve wisdom, stories, and voices for future generations. Learning from the dead. Ask an AI ancestor for advice based on their personality and habits. Cultural icons on demand. Chat with historical figures like Einstein or MLK. Therapy tool. Psychologists exploring AI ghosts as grief counseling aids. Immortality fantasy. People like the idea of living forever through data. Practical utility. A dead parent teaching life lessons or recipes, still guiding the living. The line between life and afterlife is burning away, fueled by AI and tech. Here are 10 ways the dead are being brought back to life. AI, voice resurrection. Back in the day, memories lived in photo albums, letters, and scratchy cassette tapes. When someone passed, their voice vanished with them, nothing left but fading echoes. But now, AI is dragging those echoes back into the present. Microsoft's 2023 project Val-E can rebuild a voice from just 3 seconds of audio, and tools like 11 Labs are already pushing voice cloning into everyday use. Voices of the past speaking again with uncanny realism, letting families not just hear, but see and speak with loved ones long gone. These aren't ghosts in dusty halls, they're digital resurrections, breathing sound back into silence. Val-E is a groundbreaking text-to-speech synthesis model that uses discrete audio tokens instead of continuous waveforms, enabling clearer and more flexible human-like speech. It replicates a speaker's tone, pitch, and accent from just a 3-second audio sample, making the generated voice highly personalized. Val-E also integrates seamlessly with generative AI models like GPT to create advanced conversational experiences. To ensure ethical use, safeguards are in place to prevent voice impersonation and misuse. 11 Labs, founded in 2022, is revolutionizing text-to-speech technology with unmatched realism and precision. Using advanced deep learning, it creates lifelike voiceovers, audiobooks, and character dialogues. The platform synthesizes voices from seconds of audio, adapts voices while retaining emotional depth, and supports over 70 languages for global accessibility. Its customizable voices and seamless application programming interface integration support diverse media and content creation applications. Ghost in the Machine. Once upon a time, ghosts haunted dusty halls and flickering candles. Now, they're stepping out of the shadows and into circuits, holograms, and robots. Engineered Art's hyper-real humanoid Ameca doesn't just move, it emotes, mimicking human expressions so perfectly it feels alive. And then there's Figure, a company designing full-bodied robots that can talk, think, and even take on household chores. These aren't wisps of smoke or candlelit tricks. These are full-bodied apparitions in steel and code, where the machine itself becomes the medium. Engineered Arts, headquartered in the UK, specializes in humanoid robots. Its flagship creation, Ameca, replicates human facial expressions and engages in intuitive interactions through an advanced conversational AI system. The company focuses on robots for museums, science centers, and theme parks, showcasing advancements in robotic movement and dexterity. Modular in design, Ameca allows for easy upgrades, ensuring adaptability to future technologies. Figure AI, established in 2022, aims to bridge the gap between human labor and technology through innovative solutions. Its flagship product, Figure 2, is an autonomous humanoid robot designed for industrial and domestic applications. With advanced cognitive systems, Figure 2 can handle complex tasks, learn, and adapt to its environment without explicit programming. It is envisioned as a versatile tool for enhancing productivity and streamlining daily operations in both work and home settings. Chatbot ghosts. Once upon a time, the dead stayed silent, their letters sealed, their voices fading on old cassettes. Not anymore. Now the grave has Wi-Fi. Replica AI started as a companion bot, but some people fed it old texts, journals, even emails into GPT-3, and got eerie replies mimicking their loved ones. Then there's Hereafter AI, which lets families record stories and voices while someone's still alive, so after they're gone, you can still talk with them, hear their voice, and ask questions as if they never left. Clone a voice from scraps of audio, train a bot on the words they left behind. Suddenly, the conversation doesn't end at the funeral, it just moves to the cloud. Replica AI redefines human-AI relationships, offering adaptive connections as a confidant, mentor, or romantic partner. Its proprietary language models ensure meaningful and reflective interactions. Accessible on web, mobile, and VR platforms, Replica provides an immersive, judgment-free space for introspection and self-expression, enriching human experiences and fostering empathetic connections. Hereafter AI preserves life memories through voice recordings and storytelling, enabling users to document milestones and reflections in their own voice. Photographs can be added to enrich the narrative. Family members can interact with the stories through voice-based queries, fostering emotional connections. The platform ensures accessibility while maintaining privacy, creating lasting legacies. Famous figures reborn. Imagine legends walking again. Voices echoing across time, faces reborn in pixels and code. The old ways of dusty history books? Ashes. The future, it's talking back. Take Vocaloid 6 by Yamaha, an AI music engine resurrecting the voices and styles of singers, keeping them performing long after their final curtain call. Their voices don't fade. They evolve, remix, and echo into new generations. Or step into Resembler AI's Reflections in Time, where history comes alive through animated avatars, real voice recordings, and natural language processing-driven conversations. This isn't just remembering the past, it's rebooting it. Vocaloid 6 features the advanced Vocaloid AI engine for highly authentic vocal synthesis. It supports Japanese, English, and Chinese in a single voice bank, making multilingual production effortless. Users can convert live singing into Vocaloid voice banks, enabling unique personalization. Key tools include vibrato, dynamic control, and harmonic layering. 4 AI voice banks offer flexibility in tone and language, making Vocaloid 6 a powerful tool for global music production. Resembler's Reflections in Time uses AI to bring historical figures to life as interactive entities. Each figure is crafted with historical authenticity, ensuring educational and immersive interactions. Users can engage deeply by asking questions or exploring specific topics, gaining a richer understanding of the past. The platform caters to diverse learning styles, inspiring curiosity and appreciation for history. Grief tech, comfort or cruelty. Tech now dares to cross the line between memory and reality, promising comfort, or maybe cruelty, by letting the dead speak again. Storyfile lets loved ones answer questions from beyond the grave through recorded video avatars, while You, Only Virtual, YOV, builds chatbots from texts and emails so you can keep talking long after goodbye. But here's the burn. Are these tools true comfort or just high-tech seances with a price tag? Storyfile is an AI-driven video platform that creates interactive experiences using natural language processing and a proprietary conversational video AI engine. It facilitates dynamic exchanges by aligning user queries with pre-recorded responses and supports content delivery across various sectors. The platform also preserves history by enabling meaningful dialogues with significant figures and operates seamlessly across digital interfaces. You, Only Virtual, a service allowing people to build virtual personas of themselves or loved ones using personal data so that conversations can continue after death. Offers users a proactive way to prepare for legacy. Some use it before death, others after. Raises issues of identity, accuracy, and consent. You, Only Virtual, enables meaningful interactions with AI-driven virtual personas that emulate the voice, tone, and personality of loved ones using shared personal data. Grounded in strict ethical standards and consent-driven practices, users retain full control over their data. This platform offers a therapeutic way to preserve relational intimacy, bridging memory and presence while highlighting the potential of AI to enhance human connection. Corporate afterlife. Companies are already plotting ways to outlive their founders, turning executives, leaders, even customer service reps into eternal AI ghosts. Take Soul Machines, creating hyper-realistic digital humans that confront your company 24/7, long after the original face has faded. Or Eterna AI, the ambitious project that promised to preserve your thoughts, memories, and personality so you could keep working in the cloud long after your body clocked out. The boardroom doesn't need the living anymore. The afterlife has gone corporate. Soul Machines uses experiential AI to create hyper-realistic avatars that interact empathetically, enhancing service delivery in sectors like healthcare, education, and entertainment. These avatars adapt to individual needs, offering emotional support, personalized tutoring, or engaging as virtual hosts. Supported by a flexible developer platform, they integrate seamlessly into systems, redefining how humans and technology collaborate. Eterna AI preserves personal memories through advanced artificial intelligence. The platform creates digital personas, organizes memories, and protects data with strong security protocols. Multimedia content is tagged and categorized for seamless retrieval, ensuring accessibility for future generations. Families can engage with historical legacies through interactive digital representations. Accessible via mobile and web applications, Eterna provides a secure space for safeguarding traditions, memories, and heritage. The ethical inferno. When AI resurrects the dead, the biggest blaze isn't the tech itself, it's the ethics it ignites. Who owns your voice, your face, your ghost? Look at Deep Nostalgia by My Heritage, which stirred debate after bringing old family portraits, and even celebrities back to life, or Microsoft's AI chatbot patent for conversing with the dead, which faced backlash for its chilling potential to mimic people. Deep Nostalgia by My Heritage uses advanced AI technology to animate old photographs, enabling moments frozen in time to regain lifelike motion. This tool transforms heirlooms into living memories, allowing users to rediscover and connect with their heritage in a dynamic way. By bringing movement to historical photos, it bridges the past and present, celebrating heritage and preserving cherished family memories. Microsoft's AI chatbot patent for conversing with the dead is designed to reconstruct individuals using personal data, such as photos and recordings. By creating a personality index, the system enables digitally interactive avatars. Ethical concerns regarding consent and the use of data, particularly for deceased individuals, have emerged. Privacy advocates emphasize the need for clear legal frameworks and guidelines to address these challenges responsibly. The dark side: exploitation of ghosts. When the dead can't fight back, who stops the living from cashing in? Look at Whitney Houston's hologram tour, a full concert years after her passing built on her image and voice. Fans filled arenas, but critics cried exploitation, saying the spectacle commodified her memory more than it celebrated her. Digital Domain's holographic resurrection of Tupac at Coachella, a performance so lifelike it blurred the line between the living and the gone. Or Michael Jackson's 2014 Billboard Awards hologram performance, a high-tech resurrection that had audiences cheering but also sparked backlash. Was it artistry or a money-making seance? Here in The Fire, we see the truth. When the dead can't say no, the living sometimes don't stop at yes. The Whitney Houston hologram tour celebrated one of music's most legendary voices. Whitney's hologram performed timeless hits like I Will Always Love You and I Wanna Dance with Somebody, accompanied by a live band, singers, and dancers. Every movement and vocal harmony created a heartfelt tribute to her iconic legacy, blending advanced visual technology with raw human talent. It was an emotional journey that honored Whitney's brilliance and reminded fans of her enduring impact. In 2012, Tupac Shakur's holographic appearance at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival changed live entertainment. Utilizing advanced CGI and holographic techniques, the projection delivered a lifelike experience. Tupac performed hits like Hail Mary and Two of America's Most Wanted alongside Snoop Dogg, sparking discussions on the use of technology for posthumous tributes. A modern take on Pepper's Ghost, using a high-definition CGI model projected onto a semi-transparent screen, the hologram was lip-synced to pre-recorded vocals and choreographed to match Tupac's signature gestures. The 2014 Billboard Music Awards featured a digital recreation of Michael Jackson performing Slave to the Rhythm from his posthumous album Escape. Combining CGI, motion capture, and projection mapping, the performance captivated audiences and highlighted Jackson's iconic choreography. Took months of planning and technical refinement to ensure realism. Jackson's hologram danced and sang with lifelike gestures and expressions. Cultural shift: redefining death. Even death itself is getting redefined, burned down and rebuilt in silicon and code. What was once final is now flexible. Take Volucap's exclusive digital Afterlife services. A platform where families don't just store memories, but record stories, and even full conversations that live on as interactive avatars. It's not just an archive, it's a digital ghost you can actually talk to. Or Memento, a storytelling and memory preservation platform. Here, users capture life stories and memories, then transform them into a living legacy, complete with books, digital memorials, and interactive archives of audio, video, and text. What used to vanish into silence is now being coded into permanence, reshaping how we mourn, remember, and even interact with the dead. Volucaps, digital afterlife services preserve individual legacies through hyper-realistic digital 3D scans, capturing facial expressions, gestures, and voice. Loved ones can interact with digital avatars, transforming memorialization into a personal experience. The technology emphasizes data security and personalized storytelling, allowing clients to record posthumous messages for lasting connections across generations. Memento is a platform for preserving life stories by transforming spoken memories into legacy books and digital memorials. These 8x10-inch hardcover books feature clean layouts, high-resolution photos, and QR codes linking to audio recordings, creating vivid personal archives. Its voice-first interface ensures accessibility, enabling even older generations to share their stories effortlessly. Memento captures family histories and creates heartfelt connections between generations, preserving their essence for the future. What's next? Living forever in code. Immortality isn't carved in stone, it's coded in silicon. Forget pyramids, forget tombs. The new afterlife is powered by server farms humming in the dark. Take Nectomy, the company that set the world ablaze with its bold promise of mind uploading. By preserving your brain's connectomy, every last neural pathway, they're not just saving memories, they're saving the very blueprint of you. Or step into Somnium Space's Live Forever mode. This metaverse isn't content with your avatar looking like you. It learns your speech, your gestures, your behavior. So even when you're gone, your digital twin is still walking, still talking, still living. This is the inferno where death is deleted and life gets rebooted in code. Nectomy, founded in 2015 in San Francisco, advances memory science through biological preservation techniques aimed at mapping and reconstructing human memories. The company employs glutaraldehyde to preserve brain tissue, maintaining synaptic connections and cellular structures. Its proposal to preserve the brains of terminally ill patients, requiring euthanasia for optimal results, sparked ethical debate. Nectomy is committed to ethical practices and scientific rigor in neural preservation and memory reconstruction. Somnium Space's Live Forever mode uses virtual reality and artificial intelligence to create lifelike avatars that emulate an individual's behaviors, speech, and movements. These digital twins allow families and friends to interact with a realistic presence in immersive 3D environments, offering comfort and connection. Participation is voluntary, with securely encrypted user data used by AI to construct authentic posthumous interactions. The avatars preserve memories and wisdom for future generations, creating a living archive of personal legacies. This innovative technology bridges the gap between memory and presence, redefining how we honor those who have passed away. Death used to be the end. Now, with AI, even the grave talks back. But the real question is, should it? Every product, every tool, every twist we explored is linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me which role you'd like to see burned down and automated next. Death is no longer the end, it's a reboot. So, will you fire the dead or let silence stay sacred? Until next time, keep the flames alive, because the future isn't waiting, it's haunting.